So we're here at 167 Leon Stocker, and we're just going to go over how to use the TV. There's two remotes. This is the television remote, which honestly you probably won't need at all. There's the dish TV remote. We're just going to hit the power button. Dish is on HDMI 1.
Climb is your personalized weather assistant, providing reliable forecasts.
So the dish satellite cable television is an HDMI 1, which it always should be set to. If we just hit back, we now have TV. You can just hit DVR or guide is what you're probably going to want to be most of the time. And that's it.
Entered accessibility banner. Closed captioning is on. Option 1. Options.